Hi guys, welcome back on Cloud Saviors. So let's start today's video. Okay, if you are new here, then please feel free to subscribe my channel. That's a very little bit of subscribers, like 644. Let's make it like 10K around. Let's start with the small one. Okay. Okay, so let's get back to the topic. So now we are going to discuss about AZ-700. That is nothing, just a network level certification. So previously we were having everything like infra certification, security, compliance, and governance. Each and every certification in each and every domain. So why not for the networking one? That's why Microsoft launched this new certification just a couple of years back, that is like with the name of Azure Network Engineer Associate, and the code word is AZ-700, as you can see. Okay, so it's a completely network based certification. You will be asked networking question. Now it will be like the connectivity between the systems, between the virtual network or the infra that you are deploying, network security, network automation. I mean, whatever you can do in terms of network, in network domain, everything will be covered here. Okay. But yes, every network, whatever resource we have, that should be a part of MS Azure portal. Okay. So let's start with the certification, like what would be the syllabus and like how you can schedule this one. Mostly we will be focusing on the syllabus part. For the certification scheduling and all, you can just refer my previous video. I have just created like multiple videos how to schedule your first certification. So let's just start with this as your network engineer associate. We have this intermediate level. The beginner is, we have like a AZ-900. So this kind of certification, they count it under intermediate one. Okay. Okay, last updated it's 11/06/2025. Okay, let's not focus there. So like how you can prepare for this examination, you can see like the complete curriculum, the whatever we will cover in the certification. So as a candidate, like you should know these points before going forward. First is core network infrastructure. Whenever we talk about the core network, we always talk about virtual network, subnet, network security group. Okay, I mean, the normal network that we have on cloud, mostly on virtual network and the subnet part. Hybrid connectivity, application delivery services, private access to Azure services, and network security. That is the most important one. Do not forget the network security, like how you can configure network security, what kind of resources we have in network security. Okay, you should know these things. And to deliver Azure solutions, you work with solution architects, cloud administrators, security engineers, application developers, DevOps engineers. Okay, that is again like not as okay. What I did. Okay, okay. Let's come back. Okay, so that is something like you shouldn't focus on these points. Just focus on the the complete curriculum, whatever we have. Okay. So, if you want to start, any kind of curriculum with the help of Microsoft, you can just go with this course as well. We have a complete course here. So, like as you can see, we have a 6 hour 29 minute, 8 modules. That's a kind of a video that you can see. Okay, so like you can learn like each and everything about the networking. Okay, if you are confident enough, you have been working in cloud industry, then you can just go without without going for any kind of courses or anything else. Just go with the the complete curriculum that if you are aware about each and everything, then go ahead. Okay. So like again, we have the access your knowledge. You can go with the practice assessment. You can go with the some kind of a practical. You can launch your sandbox and you can again watch your videos for AZ-700 prep videos. Okay, you'll be have 100 minutes to complete the assessment. So for examination, we'll be having 100 minutes. That's again kind of 1.5 hours, almost 1.5 hours. So you'll be having these things to do. Okay. I mean, that's not as much hard as you are thinking as compared to Azure Solution Architect and DevOps, the kind of intermediate one, and those are the expert level certification. So if you have the understanding of networking and whatever resource you have worked on Azure, but make sure you must have a practical knowledge, a practical working knowledge on Azure portal. Theory knowledge is not enough for this certification since it's the intermediate one, not the beginner one. Okay, so you must have at least a 2 or 3 years of experience, hands-on working on MS Azure, in order to complete this Azure Network Engineer Associate. Okay, so that's all we have for the curriculum of this certification. If we have any question, please feel free to put in the comment section. Okay, so that's it for this video. See you in the next lecture.